What's up? We just got to Animal Kingdom for day 2. We're only here for half a day because we're going to Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue tonight. For me, so excited. So yeah, it's only our second time here, so but it's kind of muggy. My hair is about to be thrown up because it'll be bad.
Not mine. It doesn't bother my hair.
All right, so got birds flying around. I forgot what Animal Kingdom was like, what it felt like, what it looked like, but here we go. Natural.
Expecting. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King.
Hey, come on! And we're in the right section. All right, Lions, let's show where he is. Rise up. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the Lion section, all right. Hey, guys, look, we're all here. Let's go!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa. Well, Squirt here's going to give you the lowdown on the turtles.
Let's get up here.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, he's got my son. He's got Nemo. Have you seen a boat?
I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Sorry, man. Took a snap after light. So what have we got tonight, Max?
Root canal.
Has he seen the barrier talking to you?
Sugar, he's not your fish. He's going to my Darla.
Darla? Oh, no!
Now, a lot of people think that hippos... Ooh, take a seat back there, guys. Remember, we got to stay seated. Now, a lot of people think that hippos swim through the river, but they don't. They kind of sink like a rock down to the bottom of the river, and they walk across it. They can hold their breath for around 8 minutes at a time. Now, those white and gray birds there on the island are pink-backed pelicans. They get their name because they turn a shade of pink during mating season. Those aren't hippos over there on our left-hand side. Those are Nile crocodiles. Now, Nile crocodiles, they can be as long as giraffes are tall. That's anywhere from about 16 to 20 feet. They can also eat half of their body weight in one meal. And I don't trust this bridge enough to find out if they're hungry. Now, wild dogs, they might look cute and cuddly. They are the most successful predators in Africa. They'll catch their prey anywhere from 80 to 90% of the time. And they do that by chasing their prey down until it drops from exhaustion. So giraffes will spend about 20 hours of the day eating. And in that time, they'll eat 75 pounds of food. Now, eating for 20 hours, though, that really doesn't leave them much time to do anything else. They only sleep for a total of 30 minutes. Now, giraffes, they have really long necks, but they only have 7 vertebrae in their necks. And that is the same amount that we have. Theirs are just a whole lot bigger than ours are. Now, like I said, they are the largest species of monkey. They can weigh up to about 100 pounds. They have brightly colored faces, and the more dominant the male is, the more brightly colored he'll be. Oh, but guys, quickly, look over to your right-hand side. There's an elephant, a male elephant. Hi, guys, you gotta stay seated, please. Thank you. Now, that is a male elephant. We can tell because he's here by himself. So the females and the calves, they're the ones that stick together and make up the herd for everyone. Now, if you look here to our left, you can see there's a few elephants back behind the rocks over there and a few down by the baobab tree. Now, they are the largest land animals. They can weigh up to about 15,000 pounds. They eat close to 300 pounds of food a day. It looks like there are some greater flamingos over here on our left-hand side. Now, greater flamingos are the largest species of flamingo, but they're also the palest pink.
There's the stage. Hoop-de-doo review, it's about to begin. Oh yes, all you can eat. And drink.
Yep. And drink.
Whatever.
Let's try this salad.
Yummy! Ooh, strawberry shortcake. Mashed potatoes, I'm in heaven.
Toodles, see you 2 shakes of the lamb's tail.
Okay. You just watch me, okay? First, you put your right foot in.
Okay.
Then, you put your right foot out.
I love out.
That's how you do it.
No. That's not it. What do you mean? What are you doing? You gotta come over here. You gotta put over your hip.
Why are you doing that?
That's not your
I'm not putting my
cookie.
hip
Wait a minute now. Y'all want to see Dolly put her hip in, right? Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I'd love to. You put your right hip in. You put your right hip out. That's my good side. You put your right hip in. And you shake it.
natural folly anyway. Can't forget about her content. All right, my son, push back those chairs. Give yourself plenty of room. We're going to stomp our feet. Ready? Let me see. Yes, I'm your feet. Let me see. Yes, I'm your feet. Let me see you stomp your feet. Stomp until we got them, feet. Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, so we haven't really been talking much.
We haven't.
We've
We've
been
been kind of busy.
It's been a very busy day, and we just got done with dinner. And while we have some sunlight, we're just gonna kind of recap what we did. So we started the day with the Festival of the Lion King.
It was good.
Oh my gosh,
I liked
was
it a lot.
amazing. It was in the round, so there was the audience on all sides of the stadium or arena,
Whatever.
theater. It was so good.
I really liked it.
I was very
the monkeys
impressed.
and the
Oh, yeah.
acrobatics. That was cool.
It was semi Cirque du Soleil style, but not fully. But it was good, and the music was amazing. Oh, I want to see it again. Like,
Yeah.
we'll probably do that again the next time we come. And then the next thing we did was Finding Nemo the musical.
It's good for little kids.
Yeah, it was good for little kids. You were comparing it to The Little Mermaid, and those puppeteers were in black costumes,
And
it
that,
was-
I like that better.
so it looked more magical. This one, I mean, the people running the puppets, they weren't even puppets, really.
Well, and the one that was playing Dory, she was basically in a Minions costume. She
Yeah.
had blue overalls and a yellow turtleneck.
Well, that's her colors, blue and yellow.
Well, she looked
But-
like a minion.
Didn't like that we could see them. It kind of made it less magical. But the jellyfish were really cool. I don't think I got that on video, but that
And
was really cool.
Everybody sounded like the movie except for Dory.
But
She did not sound like Ellen DeGeneres
No.
at all.
But all of the other characters sounded just like the voice actors in the original movie.
Yeah.
And I wasn't a fan of the music. I mean, it was
alright.
okay.
Not something I'd see again.
No. And then we did the safari, which is always amazing.
We always love the
It's
safari.
so good.
Yeah.
And then we left and came to Hoop-de-Doo Review.
Well, we came early on
Yeah.
purpose because we wanted to shoot pin
Yeah, we did a pin
opening.
unboxing, which that'll probably go up before these vlogs. But yeah, so we did that. Had a beautiful view of the lake behind us. And
Yeah, that was cool.
That was really cool.
And then the Hoop-de-Doo review that we only did
Oh my gosh.
because they said I could get all I could drink in 2 hours.
A red dot, like someone poked you with a marker. Anyway.
Probably got bit by a bug.
Maybe. But it was so funny.
It was
so
good.
upbeat.
And the
I didn't know
waitress
what to
helped me
expect.
at 4 drinks.
She did.
Just so you know.
Just 4. But it was so interactive.
It was
and the jokes were so funny. I would highly recommend going if you've never been. It is expensive, so make sure you get the dining plan so
But
you
it's
don't have
worth
to pay
it.
for it.
It was good.
It was so good. I would do
And
that
the
again.
food was good, too.
Oh, yeah. The
I
food
had the
was so good.
ribs. It's not as good as her daddy Don's ribs, though.
No.
But
I was like, she said that, I was like, I wouldn't know. I don't eat ribs. so-
I've never had ribs as good as her daddy Don's anywhere but his house.
Yeah,
So
with the strawberry shortcake.
That was good.
Gosh, it was so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I didn't want to eat it, but I did. I had seconds. It was so good. But yeah, it's been a good day, and it's almost 6 o'clock, and we're gonna catch a bus to Disney Springs.
Yeah.
We had
do some shopping.
We had 2 hours of rest from our feet had 2 hours of rest, so
Yeah.
I think we can
We're
manage to
good to
do a
go.
little bit of shopping and then probably call it an early night because I am exhausted and so tired. But it's been a great trip so far, and I did feel kind of bad this afternoon. I think it was a combination of the heat. It was
really hot at
today.
Animal Kingdom. It was.
And it's February 18th, and it was hot and humid, and it reminded me of like Texas summer, which is really unbearable.
We're used to.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's been a while. Like Texas lets us like warm up to it.
And we're usually in the water.
Usually in the
middle
water.
Of Texas
We're not
summer.
walking around 5
Yeah.
miles outside in the middle of the heat and humidity, but
Humidity. How
Humidity.
many drinks did you
I
have?
didn't have any.
Okay.
Heat and humidity. So, but yeah, and I think it was that in a combination of no caffeine. I didn't have any caffeine today, so had a headache, was kind of feeling lousy, but I feel better. We've eaten, got really cold, and
Yeah, it was cold and
hoop-de-doo, but it was so good. All right, we're gonna go do some shopping now.